For me, PepsiCo stands for just one word, which is passion.
The passion we have for our brands, the passion we have for our work.
PepsiCo for me stands for performance with purpose.
Being ethical and honest while you're doing business.
Different people, different mindsets, and all aligned to a similar purpose.
Positive, optimistic, charged up place.
This is really a world of infinite possibilities.
My experience with PepsiCo has been an enriching one. I've had the opportunity to meet people right from people at the salesman level to our CEO and interact with them personally.
It's not somewhere you come to have a cakewalk, and that's what I like about it. You're given a lot of responsibility, you're really put through the ringer, and I think that's what I was looking for in a graduate placement after I finished my MBA.
When you come out of college and you start working, there's a long transition phase that you have to go through, and you have to cope up with that. And I think my guides and mentors understood that very well and helped me cope up with the transition period.
Being a future leader and being a part of the program, what I feel is the people have put in a lot of efforts to make this program a very smooth program for all of us.
Very well structured, very clear cut. We know exactly what is expected out of us. We know exactly what we should work at.
As a future leader at PepsiCo, you're pretty much, mollycoddled. You're given the royal treatment. For a year, you're the baby of the company.
You can anytime go into the two divisions. One is beverages division, which is a completely different business from the foods division that we operate.
We joined the company for the post of territory development managers, but our program is structured in such a way that we have been exposed to each and every level.
You can choose any function, which is sales function, marketing function, or if you're liking, then you can go to supply chain or HR.
So that brings about a very holistic view of the company, and you get to see where you can fit in best.
There's no extreme hard pressure on this is the numbers and you have to deliver. The pressure is on learning, and that's one of the best parts.
Even people at the VP level are always ready to listen to your views.
My recommendations were taken seriously by my guide at different stages in the program. Whether it was recommending a coaching for the salespeople or changing in the route structure of the warehouse.
I have roamed about the lengths and breadths of Punjab selling PepsiCo products.
You might have done, sales and distribution and all these wonderful courses, but when you're at a guy's shop and he is telling you that he doesn't want to talk to you until you learn Tamil, and until you learn Tamil and come back, you have to sort of step up, and it's more of a personal experience than drawing on your academic abilities really.
In 1 week, the entire central Chennai area, which is called Nungambakkam, was transformed heavily from a weak market to a strong market.
The high point actually pre-work was winning the Become Indra's Advisors competition, where we were treated in pure luxury when we went to New York. We presented our idea to Miss Indra Nooyi herself, and she was very, very receptive of it.
During my sales stint, I had to go to Amitabh Bachchan and deliver Pepsi, 300 cases of Pepsi for his birthday. So that was one interesting point in my career so far with PepsiCo.
The work culture at PepsiCo is absolutely fantastic. It's so much fun. I think the best part of this company is that they've got a strong drive for results. So while they take results seriously, they don't take themselves that seriously.
It's good to be a game changer.
If you love challenges, then yahi hai right choice, baby.
ये दिल मांगे always more.
डर के आगे जीत है.
अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं.
क्यों? PepsiCo में आने का है दम.